Are you seeking stability for your career in the construction industry? The installer position is a dynamic, year-round and vital role at LaForce, which directly contributes to the growth and success of our company. At LaForce, we offer services in doors, frames, hardware, building specialties, and security integration for new and existing commercial buildings. As a LaForce installer, you will use a combination of mental and physical strengths to install door hardware, commercial doors, frames, and electrified hardware in both an individual and team setting. This can include replacing, removing, or adjusting existing material, installing new material, pre-installing hardware on wood or metal doors, and packaging doors for delivery. At times, you will remain at the LaForce shop, while other days you will be on a job site, such as schools, hospitals, churches, sporting and entertainment venues, and more. You will be provided with tools, use of a company vehicle, a company phone, and a uniform. The install team works when requested by the customer. This may include occasional overnight travel and after hours or weekend work. This is very limited, and LaForce makes every effort to balance life-work commitments. Typical days are 6:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. There are also overtime opportunities for those who want to take advantage of it. In this role, you will be working closely with customers, project managers, and account managers on a regular basis to ensure the work is being done efficiently and completed on time. Our installers must be able to represent LaForce professionally in order to satisfy customer needs and to earn future business. Candidates should possess basic carpentry skills, ability to use power tools, read a tape measure, and have a basic knowledge of construction. We prefer 1 year of training from a college or technical school, or 3 to 6 months of experience in the trades, but it is not necessary. Candidates should have basic mathematical skills and are able to read and interpret documents such as wiring diagrams, safety rules, operating and maintenance instructions, and procedure manuals. In addition, they should have the ability to write routine reports and correspondence, communicate effectively with customers and employees, are willing to learn new skills, and have a clean driving record. LaForce offers a solid hands-on training program. All of our employees have access and are encouraged to participate in our Safe and Well and volunteer programs. We offer full health benefits, including dental and vision. LaForce offers a 401k match, paid time off, and life and disability insurance. We also offer a variety of opportunities for career advancement and tuition reimbursement. If you have a positive attitude, strong work ethic, and exceptional problem-solving skills, then you will excel as an installer at LaForce. Open the door to your future and apply on our website today.